Hello. Do you think that I need to put some makeup on?
No. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be testing old wives' tales to see how accurate it is in figuring out if we're having a boy or a girl. I always think these videos are super fun. If you don't know what the old wives' tales, anything about it, basically it's just things that people say. If you're craving sweet food or salty food, then it can give you an idea.
For example, give an example of one.
I just did, sweet or salty food.
Okay, so if you like salty food, that means you're gonna have a boy.
Yeah.
Or if you like sweet food, you might have a girl.
Yeah. So they're not actually reliable things, but it is just fun to see how many are boy compared to girl.
Yeah.
And we are finding out super soon. I think it's been really fun just to see what they say.
I know. Let's start off by saying, what do you want to have?
If I could choose, I would say girl.
And if I could choose, I would say boy.
I've tried to not really think that much about what I think it's gonna be, because I don't want to have an idea of oh, I really think it's this. I just want to find out and not really have an idea. Parker's been so set that it's a boy. I thought it was a boy at first, but then I was thinking girl, but I don't know. So I just Googled them. There's quite a few.
Oh, really?
So some we can just do now as we're sitting, craving sweet or salty food, and we can just keep track of how many is which, and then other ones are things we're gonna have to do. Also, some of these are kind of hard because as we're filming this, I'm only 11 weeks. When you guys are seeing it, I'll probably be 12 or 13. The first one is if you're carrying high or carrying low, and I'm not showing it all. Shape of your bump. Don't have one yet. Moody versus mellow. I feel overall, I've been pretty chill.
To be honest, yeah, I feel you have been a lot more chill and laid back since you got pregnant.
Yeah, Parker, that was always one of his number one concerns. Anytime we would talk about it, he'd be oh man, that's gonna be so hard for me to deal with you. But I think overall I've been pretty good. So
I think that it's more so that you're so happy though that you're
really
pregnant.
Excited, yeah. So that one,
but yeah,
more
it's
relaxed and mellow, says boy.
Really?
Yes. Let's keep track.
Boy! Woohoo!
I'm gonna have it on the screen for you guys, a little score thing. Okay. The next one is craving sweet or salty food. I honestly don't know what to put for this one. Something that I've had is just a lot of food aversions, which is not wanting, kind of the opposite of craving stuff. So I haven't really wanted to eat a lot of stuff. So sometimes I'm craving something, but it's more just I think of a food that doesn't sound terrible. So I feel that's not really a craving, but do you think sweet or salty? I think
I'd have to go sweet, maybe.
Yeah, I was gonna say sweet.
Yeah.
So sweet is girl.
Sweet is girl. Yeah. I meant salty, actually.
No, you didn't. Next one is morning sickness. I have been so lucky and I have felt pretty dang good.
Yeah.
They say that if you're really sick during pregnancy, it's a girl. If you are less sick, it's a boy.
Nice.
Next one is pregnancy glow. I don't have that.
What do you mean?
A lot of you guys, I'm freaking breaking out. That's a lot of comments are oh, you're pregnant because you have a lot of acne now. And I'm thank you.
And a few people have been your face looks so full.
I know. I think that's one of them.
I honestly can't tell though. I don't think that your face is getting full.
Breaking out is girl.
No, that's not what it asked. It said, do you have a glow?
Pregnancy glow.
I would personally say that you have a glow.
You just want it to be boy.
I think you have a glow. I'm just being honest.
No, my actual skin, I've been breaking out more. The feel of your skin. Okay, do you think my hands are soft or dry?
I think they feel pretty soft. Feel mine. Are mine soft or dry?
Yours feel soft.
Oh, they do?
Soft as a girl.
They've been so dry lately. I feel that one, it can't determine it though.
Babe, none of these are real. The next one is cold feet.
Physically cold feet, or the term you're getting cold feet?
No, your feet are actually cold.
I feel
my feet are always cold.
Yeah, I've had cold feet, but especially since we moved here.
But when yesterday when we were sitting on the couch, we were kind of far away from each other, not really cuddling, and I just wanted you to cuddle my feet. And every night when we get into bed, it's I'm on my side and Parker's on his side, and then my feet are over here. So I don't feel they're colder than usual, but they are cold.
I wouldn't say that they're any colder than usual.
Okay, then
it's typical. What is it?
Then girl.
They're cold.
Okay, so the next one is one we actually get to do, and it's the ring test. So you lay down, tie a hair around your ring, and then you have someone hold it over your stomach, and I'm not going to tell you which one's which.
I get to hold it though?
Yeah, and you'll tell me what the movement is. So we'll do that one. Okay, so I got my ring. It says use string or a piece of hair.
We tie it to the ring, and I'm just supposed to literally just hold it over your belly
Yeah.
And if it goes in a circle, it's something, and in a line?
Yeah. It's just like rotating.
Because I'm making sure to keep it super still. Debunking this myth.
You're making it swing!
No, I'm not.
Okay, you're such a cheater.
Okay. Wait, why is it, does it normally swing like that dramatically?
I feel like I've seen it, and it's not like that dramatic, but it definitely does
Definitely
something.
whoever's holding it just fooling. Just in their head. Because I can hold this completely
I was
still.
so excited to do this one. I thought it would do something.
I think if I knew which one, like boy or girl, meant, it might work. Oh look, it's doing something. That's back and forth.
Boy.
Boy! It's a boy!
All right.
It's a boy.
Let me try and hold it.
You're swaying way too much. Hold it still.
It's going in a circle.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I swear I'm not doing that.
Yeah, you are!
Babe, I swear on
I
a
can
freaking
see-
baby that I'm
I
not.
can see it from your hand. Your hand is like moving it.
Babe,
Yeah, I just saw a
that
movement.
I swear on our baby.
I know, but I just
You
saw a
think I'm
movement.
lying?
Hold on, watch. I'll tell you when I see a movement. You just moved. Okay, start over. Go down.
I swear.
Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's see.
Okay. Should I hold it with my other hand?
Maybe.
Is that in a circle?
I'm seeing movement from your hand.
Babe, I swear.
You're a cheater! Don't even look at it. Let's see if
Okay.
it does anything. It's not moving. Now it is. That's a line! Okay.
That's going in a huge circle.
A huge
My hand
circle.
is steady as a rock.
Okay, let me try.
It's going in a circle.
That's in a line.
All right, this one is over. Do you think that I have been more clumsy than usual?
Clumsy?
Yeah.
Maybe clumsy is not the word, but I do feel like you're more forgetful.
That's a totally different thing.
Then no,
That's
you're
not the same.
Yeah, you're not.
All right, girl. Okay, next one, baby's heart rate. So when we went in for our first ultrasound, I used to think it was a boy, and then this is what kind of made me think it's a girl. If the heart rate is above 140 beats per minute, it's more likely to be a girl. This was true with all three of our nieces. Our baby's heartbeat was 167. So this one is girl. So the eye test, if your pupils dilate, it means you're having a boy. I feel like they dilate if you just look at yourself anyways, but we'll try it. Setting a timer for 1 minute. Seeing if my pupils dilate. You gotta get really close.
Dilate in what way?
Like if they get bigger.
Just at all?
Do they look bigger to you?
No. I don't
It's a
think-
girl!
Is it if they don't dilate, it's a girl?
Yeah, if they do dilate, it says boy.
Interesting.
This is another one. This one right here. Face weight gain. If your face looks fuller, it's girl.
Anyways,
Everyone-
go back. Go to the eye thing,
We're
like you said
adding
we
a
were
point
doing.
to girl because Ellie told me my face looks fuller. Comments have told me my face looks fuller. My grandma also said that. Okay, just found another one that we missed in the video, but we'll add it. This is another reason I think it's a girl. It says the Ramsey method is said to be 95% accurate. If you have an early ultrasound, you can see which side of the uterus the baby has attached to. Baby on the left side means girl, right side means boy. But if you do the abdominal ultrasound, it's like a mirrored image, so it's flipped, and ours is on the right, which means it's a girl. This, I think, kind of goes along with the heartbeat one, and like I said, it was right for 3 of our nieces. Okay, this one, your sleeping position. If you sleep on your left side, it's a boy. If you sleep on your right side, it's a girl. Usually I fall asleep on my right.
That's not true. You fall
Yes,
asleep.
it is. I always fall asleep this
You
way.
fall asleep facing me.
No, I don't, because you're turned away from me.
No.
And then you like bend in half so
always-
your butt is like up by my face.
So,
Every morning.
up by your face. So obviously you're facing me.
Well, maybe when I wake up, but I like fall asleep and go to sleep on the...
I think I fall asleep
Right.
either on my back or on my belly, not facing away.
Okay, next is the Chinese calendar. There's a couple different ones. I clicked on the first like 10 links just to see if they were all the same, and they mostly were. But okay, so Chinese gender predictor, putting in my birthday.
You just said November.
I'm turning on my screen record.
Oh, I was
Parker
like,
thinks
dude,
I'm cheating at this
you
video.
It's a boy!
This one says boy.
What? Alright, add one to the boy.
Wait, but oh, okay. Going on to the next one, seeing if it's the same. Girl,
It's a girl.
due date August 30th. My birthday.
When do they do my birthday?
They don't ask your birthday.
Oh, why? It's a boy!
Boy!
Nice. So, all these Chinese calendars that you were all saying was a girl.
I
you
have
only did
screenshots. The ones that I did
You only
earlier
did
said
one.
boy. No,
Oh,
I
it said
have
boy?
I mean said girl.
one. No. Now
I
you
have a
see.
couple. Girl.
It's a girl.
We'll do one more because it's 2 and 2. Oh, it says boy.
Oh! It's a boy on the legit one. Boy one.
Okay. Okay, wait, but if you look at this chart, mother's age at conception, 22. December, girl.
Dude, some random person just slapped a bunch of random colors in a chart and called it that.
There's also a Mayan calendar for a baby. So this one is you add the number, like the month, age at conception, and month of conception. It was December, which is the 12th month.
12.
You don't need your calculator. It's going to be really basic math.
Oh, okay, 12.
You don't need to even know what it is. And then I'm 22. So that's an even number. So that says girl.
But wait, since we're sitting on a pink blanket, and those 2 pillows are pink, and the 4 of them are white, it's a boy.
2 more. Heartburn. I have not had that.
No heartburn.
So that's boy.
Woohoo!
Headaches. I have also not had any headaches. That is girl.
I don't know what the final score is, but I'm gonna guess that the girls have more because obviously.
We'll so if any of you guys have ever been pregnant and like done any of these things, let us know if it was correct or whether like just for fun, but it's just fun to see. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you guys think we're gonna have. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was super fun. I've been waiting to film this for like forever. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.